Hello, good morning, or rather, good afternoon, wherever you're hearing me. Okay, so we are here again for another class. We have been learning how to speak Igbo, and I told us that one of the major things everyone who wants to learn how to speak any language should learn is how to talk about the activities that we all do every day. And the part of speech we need to talk about our activities is verb. So we've been learning how to conjugate verbs. We've conjugated different verbs in the past few weeks. We're going to continue with the verbs today. Like I told you, the verbs are so many. We just do as much as we can. So today we're going to look at the verb igwu mmiri. Igwu mmiri means to swim. Gwuo mmiri, swim. Gwuru mmiri, swam. Na-egwu mmiri is swimming. Ga-egwu mmiri will swim. Egwugo mmiri has swam. Egwughị mmiri did not swim. Anaghị egwu mmiri is not swimming. Agaghị egwu mmiri will not swim. Egwubeghị mmiri has not swam. So let's make sentences with the verbs. Anyị na-egwu mmiri, we are swimming. Chiamaka gwuru mmiri, Chiamaka swam. Unu anaghị egwu mmiri, you are not swimming, sorry. Ha egwughị mmiri, they did not swim. Nneka gwuo mmiri, Nneka swim. Ụmụaka agaghị egwu mmiri, children will not swim. So all we needed to do was to add a subject, which was either a name or a pronoun. Now the next verb we're going to look at is irahora or ihiura. They mean the same thing. Irahora or ihiura. Irahora or ihiura means to sleep. Rahora or hiura means sleep. Rahorora or hirora, slept. Narahora or nehura is sleeping. Garahora or gehura will sleep. Arahugora or ehigora has slept. Arahoyora or ehigora did not sleep. Anagi arahora or anagi ehura is not sleeping. Agaya arahora or agaya ehura will not sleep. Arahubeyora or ehibeyora has not slept. So let's make sentences. Adamma rahora. Adamma sleep. Ezinne ehibeyora. Ezinne has not slept. Ifechukwu garahora. Ifechukwu will sleep. Mhirora. I slept. Irahugora, you have slept. Ogaye hiora, she will not sleep. So these are the two verbs we're going to learn today. I'd like you to listen to this over and over till you get used to it. Now you go and do your own. Try this. Use these verbs to make sentences in Igbo. Narahora, ehigora, arahoyora, ga-egwu mmiri, anaghị egwu mmiri. Daalụ.